How to be the woman every man wants to marry. Do you have an understanding of what it means to be wife material? Doesn't it strike you like a little rude and disrespectful? It is nonetheless accurate. Some women are seen as one-night stands, while others are regarded as practice wives, and only a select handful are regarded as true wife material by men. What differentiates the two? I'm here to show you how to be the woman that every man dreams of marrying. 1. Learn what makes him tick. Men are not all the same, contrary to common belief. Work motivates some guys while family motivates others. Some people are more imaginative while others are more rational. Discover what makes him tick and then use that information to make an appeal to him. 2. Words are not as effective as actions. It's fantastic to tell him you love him or send him sweet texts, but a man falls in love with what a woman does. Make it apparent that you're serious about your commitment by helping him out. Bring him lunch one day, surprise him on his birthday, or accompany him to a doctor's visit. 3. Get your emotional baggage out of the way. Just because the past 3 men you dated cheated on you doesn't indicate every man is a cheater. If you want to get back out there, you'll have to wipe the slate clean and try to trust again. 4. A calm personality. What do I mean by a calm personality? Please hear me out. Men are born thinkers. They spend the majority of their time trying to figure out how to make ends meet in the middle of so much. Men have a shorter life expectancy than women, according to studies. One of the most common reasons is physical and emotional stress. As a result, no man desires a lady who is not peaceful. It's very off-putting. If you're asked what qualities a man looks for in a woman he wants to marry, here are a few things to consider. Bring up the subject of peace. This is the most important quality a guy looks for in the lady he intends to marry. Men see the wholeness that peace offers to their lives because they're frequently preoccupied with earning enough money to make their loved ones happy. Nothing in the world can be exchanged for a peaceful lady. Most men suffer from severe mental burnout as a result of a variety of external factors, and all they want is a woman who will relieve them of all of their problems by being kind, loving, patient, and peaceful. So, what exactly do I mean when I say having a calm personality? It entails being patient, calm, and understanding. You wouldn't have to nag any longer, and you're always willing to reason with him and offer constructive criticism if he makes a mistake. Being cool when he's freaking out is one of the most crucial things you can do if you want to know how to be the woman every man wants to marry. Modern life is stressful, and if your guy is breaking down, you may be a safe haven for him as he nestles in your kisses and comfort. 5. Trust. Trust is another factor that causes a man to fall in love with one lady over another. No man wants to be associated with a lady he doesn't trust in. In this context, trust does not always imply closeness with the opposing sex, rather it extends beyond that. We all know that guys are prone to jealousy. Men, on the other hand, desire a woman they can confide in with everything, and I mean everything. This covers his finances, his emotions, and his life, among other things. He wants to be able to put his faith in you, to be able to share his worries and emotions with you, to be able to exhibit his weakness and know that you won't take advantage of him. Without a doubt, he seeks a lady who will make him feel safe. This will cause him to fall even more in love with you. No one likes to make an unprofitable investment. Women who can make men feel confident are valued by men. It enhances their degree of commitment, implying that they adore you. 6. He desires that you be appealing. Whatever you may think about looking the way you want, especially if you have the "I already have him" attitude, the reality is that men are frequently attracted to attractive women. Men's life revolves around appearing handsome and being drawn to attractive women, and this is something that every guy desires in a woman physically. However, this does not provide the complete picture. To seem beautiful to your boyfriend, you don't have to wear flowers all the time or spend a lot of money on lovely clothes to wear. It essentially entails identifying your most beautiful self and making everything exciting. To begin, a pleasant odor, clean clothing, and a pleasant demeanor are important. If you didn't realize it before, you're already attractive. If you didn't, now you know. Men want women to show them how attractive they are, so don't try to imitate prominent TV singers or magazine models. They're for marketing purposes, and they've been professionally edited. The fact that these are girls who know how to be gorgeous without spending a lot of money, time, or resources is not contradicted by the magazine's presentation. This is because men have preferences, and these preferences are based on what a man wants from a woman and what a guy considers beautiful. You just must not be depressed about yourself if you truly want to be beautiful to him. It's hardly surprising that the tummy you're attempting to get rid of is the feature he finds most appealing in you. Most women are self-conscious about their features and would undertake a series of surgery/implants to make themselves more attractive to men, forgetting that men are only attracted to women who have a few minor flaws. As previously stated, you don't have to spend loads of money to be attracted to him. However, I did discover that most men search for the following qualities in a woman in order to consider her attractive. It works like a charm to regard your feelings, set away magazines that make you believe your figure bothers you, eat healthy foods that will help you stay in shape, and never forget to put on some seductive clothes, especially at night. If your clothes always make him go, wow, you're probably ensuring his attraction to you. There's no better moment than now to start appearing appealing, and I wouldn't suggest that this should be decreased or stopped after a few months of dating. Both parties should learn the skill of appearing appealing as long as the relationship lasts, whether it's a long-term relationship or not. 7. He's looking for a woman who is compatible with him. Men have always been a mystery to women, and women have always been a mystery to men. Most women are confused when it comes to figuring out what he wants, yet researching a man and knowing what he wants is crucial. He wants a lady who is compatible with him. This is a clear indicator that men choose women who are easy to be around and who do not put them through any mental strain in order to be with them now and in the future. When your boyfriend agrees that you're easy to be around, you're compatible. It's a great match. It is possible, though, for people to fall in love with someone who is incompatible with them. Nonetheless, this is seldom the worst thing that may happen in a relationship. As much as men desire a partner who is compatible with them, it is critical to address and be aware of the factors that cause them to be incompatible. Is he a man with whom you simply want to have a good time, or with whom you want to create a future? If you want to have a long-term relationship with him, in which you can create a future together, you should start tolerating each other now. Well, that's all we got for today. If you enjoyed, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.